How to uninstall programs completely in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to remove an app along with any leftover files it leaves behind. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app from there. Click on Apps in the left sidebar. After that, click on Installed Apps on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see a full list of every program installed on your PC. From here, find the app you want to remove or type its name into the search bar at the top to find it faster. Following this, click the three dots next to the app and select Uninstall, then confirm if a pop-up asks you to. After that, most apps will be fully removed at this point, but some leave behind leftover folders or settings files. From there, open File Explorer and check common locations like the Program Files folder and the App Data folder, which you can access by typing %appdata% into the File Explorer address bar. At this point, look for any folder still named after the app you removed and delete it if you find one. Finally, open the Registry Editor by searching for it in the Start menu and carefully search for any leftover entries related to the app, deleting only what you're sure belongs to it. Keep in mind that editing the registry can affect how Windows runs if done incorrectly, so only delete entries you're confident are related to the app you uninstalled. That's how you uninstall programs completely in Windows 11. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!